Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the respected chief guest, principal, teacher, friends, and all my dear friends, I am Muslim Muna in class Hatton. The informer of Advocate Bangalore Asha was very popular potato. Sasso Pekara Hazrat Abdullah Ibn Abu Bakr Siddiq Rahmatullah Sattar Pere ay Musliman or Muslim Rahmatullah. Akhlaq Rasul Sunnah Tarawih Sasso Pekara Nabi Abu Ibrahim Muhammad Awad Siddiqui. He was born in the year 1949 in Dhaka Nursery. Yet his grandpa devised this name to be brought up with love of mom. He started education from Fatiha Senior Technical Madrasa and established his grandpa. Muftazil Muhammad degree got his degree in this madrasa and Muftazil Fuqaha degree got to Aligarh.